In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I made this wonderful hair relaxer at home. So in today's video, just know that you'll be learning how to make your own hair relaxer so that you will spend less money when getting hair relaxer. You can just make it at home and start using it on your hair. Over here are the ingredients we'll be using for this project. I'll be highlighting them one after the other with their measurements. So let's get started. This is my mixing bowl. And here are the oils I'll be using. I'm making use of groundnut oil, coconut oil, and palm oil. The palm oil I used, I had bleached it, so it's a bleached palm oil. It's not a red oil. I had removed the red color by bleaching the palm oil, so it's no more looking red. It's not looking like every other vegetable oil. That is my palm oil. So I'm using 3 oils. I've highlighted them with their measurements. Over here is the cetyl alcohol. I'll be adding my wax now. Cetyl alcohol is a wax. This is the emulsifying wax. Then here is the stearic acid. It also behaves like a wax. So I've added all the wax. And over here is the petroleum gel. I'm making use of 150 grams of petroleum gel. The next thing I'll be doing is to melt everything. I'm going to melt them on fire. Once they have properly melted, I'll bring it down from the heat source. You can use any heat source to melt it. If you don't have a gas cooker, you can use an electric stove. If you don't have an electric stove, you can use a kerosene stove to melt it. You can see over there I'm using a gas cooker. I'll use it to melt this. Once it has completely melted, I'll bring it down from the fire. The next thing I want to be doing is to heat up my water. I'm going to heat it up till it boils. I'm going to boil the water till it gets to the boiling point of water. Once the water has completely boiled, I'll bring it down from the heat source. So my water has to be hot and my oil too has to be hot. With this water I'll boil, I will add other things inside. I'll add my EDTA, then I'll add my glycerin. I'm going to heat everything up. That's my EDTA. I'm using 20 grams of EDTA. The next thing I'll be adding is my glycerin. I'm going to heat them up. So I'll heat up the EDTA and the glycerin in the water. So everything is going to be boiling, or everything is going to be boiled in this water. So once it has completely boiled, I'll bring it down from the heat source and take it to the next stage. So you can see I am mixing the oil and the water together. I'm going to stir it and I'll switch to using my stick blender to mix it properly. If you check the video description, or if you check this video description, you'll find a link where you can join my online class. There you can learn how to make the soap, the detergent, the liquid soap, the shower gel, the hair shampoo, the hair conditioner. There's a lot you will learn in my online class. The Dettol, the bleach, the body cream, the organic soap. You will learn a lot in my online class. You can reach me through the link, or you reach me through this phone number displayed here. Hair relaxer is actually not difficult to make. if you follow all the procedure I use, you can also do this at home. Just follow my procedures with the measurement that I have given and follow the recipe. You will see yourself producing your own hair relaxer at home. And once you know how to produce hair relaxer, you will save a lot of money, because these things are not cheap in the market anymore. The economy is not smiling, so things are very expensive. So once you can produce these things by yourself at home, trust me, you will save a lot of money. Also, I have ebooks for sale, just in case you need a book where these things that I produce are written. They are in written form. If you need the soft copy or the hard copy, you can reach me through the mobile number I have displayed there. Reach me on WhatsApp. Chat me up on WhatsApp to purchase my ebook. They are very informative. There's a lot of information inside my ebook: how to make soap, how to make cream, how to make organic soap, the liquid soap, the powder detergent, the hair relaxer. There's a lot you will learn in my ebook. It's very informative. So reach me on WhatsApp to purchase it. It's very affordable. You need to understand that the active ingredient in all hair relaxer is the caustic soda, which most people know as lye. What makes hair relaxer to bite, that biting sensation you feel when you apply hair relaxer to your hair, is the caustic soda inside the hair relaxer that you purchased. And that is what makes your hair to be relaxed. That is what does the job. Is the caustic soda that does the job of the relaxing of the hair. So don't be surprised if you see me adding caustic soda to this my production. Every hair relaxer you see in the market has this ingredient called caustic soda in it. That is the active ingredient in all hair relaxer. It's what causes it to relax your hair. That is what bites you. That is that biting sensation you feel whenever you apply hair relaxer to your hair. It's the caustic soda. So don't be surprised because I added it in this production. Any hair relaxer without caustic soda is not a hair relaxer, it's a body cream. You heard me right? Any hair relaxer that doesn't have lye or sodium hydroxide or caustic soda is not hair relaxer. In order for your hair relaxer to be very active, you need to add caustic soda. Another name for caustic is lye. Another name for lye is sodium hydroxide. Over here is the preservative we will be adding to this our hair relaxer. We don't want our production to get spoiled or to start bringing out mold. So we want our hair relaxer to last for a long time. So we're going to add the preservative. The preservative we'll be adding here is the sodium benzoate. So you can see this is actually very easy to make. It's not difficult. You can literally produce your own hair relaxer and start a hair relaxer business by selling them to hairdressing salons, and you will be making a very good profit. Once you produce your hair relaxer very well and it is very active on the hair, you will see you have a lot of customers coming to patronize you, and you will see yourself making a lot of money by selling just hair relaxers. So if this is your first time of bumping into my channel, don't forget to follow me. If you are watching this on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share these videos with those that you think will want to learn how to do this by themselves. Don't forget to like, don't forget to drop your comments or your questions. Where you have questions, you can drop it in the comment box. I will give you answers to your questions. Then if you're watching this on Facebook or TikTok, don't forget to follow me so that you'll be updated by my newest and latest videos. I drop very nice and informative videos like this during the week, so you can do well by following me so that you'll be updated. You will not miss out on any of my latest video. So do well by following me. So this is the final process. I'm now scooping it into my containers. I'm going to use these containers to package it. You can choose to sell this, you can choose to use it at home on your hair, or you choose to sell it and start up a business. Whatever option you like. If you want to sell it, it's a good business. Just make sure your relaxer is very nice and beautiful on the hair, and you will have a lot of customers. You can see how beautiful this looks like. Very perfect hair relaxer. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to follow me, don't forget to share, don't forget to like, don't forget to drop your comment. Most especially follow me so that you will not miss out by my latest and newest videos that will be coming up this week. Goodbye and have a lovely day.